Good evening, everyone. We are 1st of August 2024. It's nearly 8:45 p.m. in the UK. This is video 3 of the 51362 EMA strategy. And from where we last left off, I believe we was looking at the US30. And I've caught some really good moves so far with US30, caught some really great trades. And one of the trades that I caught was, I believe, this one here. So there was a liquidity grab. This is also classed as a pullback. So the market always pulls back. But when it pulls back, it's also classed as a liquidity grab. It tapped, or say it went through the 13 EMA, which is a Fibonacci number. My alert went off and I went in for 2 buys. I had my first take profit just above the previous high there. And as you can see, it actually smashed that TP1. And I actually called this out. Well, I say called this out. I put it into the free Telegram group that I've got, which is called Trade Masters. And in Trade Masters, it's a brand new group at the moment. I don't really know where I'm going to go with it at this moment in time, but I put my first post in on July 30th. So if we come back to here, July 30th. Okay, maybe it was here then. Let's have a just quick look, because I did put it in the Trade Masters group. So I did possibly catch it on the day before, but yeah, I think I did actually. I caught it on the 29th. So as you can see, this liquidity grab here, I went in for 2 buys, bang bang, pulled the trigger, and then price started to pull back up, and then I put head in for TP1. So as you can see, when I posted it, price was actually right here. This is the bid and ask line. I always get a bit confused. I need to find out definitely if it's bid or ask, but this is where price currently was, and I had my take profit just here, TP1, just above the previous high. And then as you can see, this next slide, which was posted into the Trade Masters group, TP1 was smashed. Beautiful buy. I caught it, and it's beautiful when you catch a trade and it plays out. But like I've shown you before, these trades happen and these patterns happen over and over and over again. You just have to have your alert set. You just have to take action and just let it do its thing. And as we're on the 4-hour time frame, it can take a couple days to hit its TP. It looks like this one took probably a day or so to hit it, which is absolutely fine with me. I've grown to be very patient now with trading. When you first start trading, or many people start trading, and they're quite impatient. They want instant gratifications, like straight away. As soon as you buy or as soon as you sell, you want profits instantly. You want to hit your take profit instantly. But I've come to realize, and it's taken years probably to master this, you have to be super patient for things to play out. But anyways, that hit TP1. As I went in for another buy, my TP2, I don't really set a TP2. I just let it run as much as I can, and then I close it when I feel like it's right to close. But I also posted another one, and if we actually go back to TradingView, so my alert went off again. I believe it might have been this one here or this one here. Let's have a quick look where I went in for a buy. Had the alert graph for the 13 EMA, went for two buys, TP1 smash on the previous high. Okay, so I've gone in for a buy over here. So let's have a quick look. I think I went in for a buy here, and then I believe that one actually hit my stop loss. And then I was looking at the market, and then I noticed that I reckon that we're going to have a reversal here. And as you can see, the 5 EMA has crossed over the 13 EMA. So this is a sell signal now, and I thought you buy low and you sell high. So we are selling high, and as you can see, this is reversing now. We've smashed through the 62 EMA. So this is a strong signal that we're potentially going to be on a downtrend now, and all these three EMAs are going to cross over very, very soon, I believe. So we're just going to be looking for sells, I reckon, from tomorrow and next week. But I caught the sell around here, currently in this trade at this moment in time. And yeah, it's great. You just literally, I mainly just go off the 13 EMA, and then a reversal is the crossover to go on the other side. So yeah, this is looking quite good in for a sell. Now I'm actually also in gold. If we quickly just go to gold. Okay, so with gold, I did go in for a sell here off the 62 EMA. Went in for two sells. I believe I cashed out on one of them. I did have my take profit one around down here. I thought that price was going to keep heading down, but it had other ideas. Nevertheless, put the trades to break even when you get some really good gains on your trades. And then if you've been looking at them, if you notice that the market's potentially going to reverse, you can cash out when you want. I actually broke even, and I think one of them hit my stop loss. And then the one that hit my stop loss, I had my stop loss just above this previous high. I looked at the charts and I noticed that the 513 and the 62 EMA have all crossed over from each other, and this is looking like a potential reversal for a bullish trend. So I went in for two buys, so hit my stop loss there. All three EMAs crossed over. I went for two buys here, and I've actually caught this move all the way up here. So I'm currently still in this trade, these trades, which is pretty cool. It hasn't hit the 13 EMA yet. However, we may get a spike down tomorrow or during the night, and then maybe a continuation up. So be good to have the alert set on the 13 EMA here, and when that goes off, maybe look to go in for a couple of buys. At this moment in time, I'm currently on the free plan with TradingView, and you only get one free alert. They did have two free alerts around 6 months ago or a year ago, which is pretty cool, but they've only chucked it down to one alert now, which is a little bit annoying. However, I do believe that I'm going to pay for the basic package of TradingView, and you do get a lot more alerts. I think you get like 20 or 25 alerts, which is going to be really, really good. So I'm going to be setting the 13 EMA to go off on gold, the crossover with the 5 and the 13 on gold, the same setup with US30. Going to look at the majors as well, and do some back testing on the Forex pairs and just to see where these patterns happen over and over again. What is the best instruments to trade for this strategy? So keep posted for that. But so far, so good. And I'm gonna also be looking to do hopefully soon a weekly, on top of this strategy, a weekly market overview for the week, all the news that's going to happen as well, what to look out for, and if the markets are going to be quite volatile, which is going to be pretty cool. So if you haven't done so already, please join the Trade Masters Telegram group, completely free to join. If you just search Trade Masters, I will link I'll just link it in the description on the YouTube. So yeah, give us a join, give us a follow, give us a subscribe if you're liking this strategy. If you like the look of it, it's very, very good. It's the best strategy that I've seen and the one that I'm actually getting results. So give it a go. Let me know how you get on. Hopefully the mic's a bit better. I need to still improve the mic, but to get it absolutely perfect, I do need to do a lot of tweaking, as you can imagine, it's time consuming. But I'm going to leave the video now. Don't want it too long. Appreciate your time in coming and watching this, and I will see you in part 4 very, very soon. Take care. Bye.